Alright, so it's December 11th, 2022, and it's slightly flurrying outside. First time of the year, but it's like nothing. It's like a hole on the steps though. It's actually sticking to the steps. But it's like 35 degrees out. Just instantly melting your finger if you could grab it quickly. Looks like it's actually starting to get a bit heavier, slightly. And it says it could possibly snow a bit overnight, but probably gonna be nothing if it does. Yeah, there's actually like a little crunching noise. Yeah, I was right. It is starting to get heavier, but it's like nothing. But if it does snow later, I'll try to get some footage. But it says it might be from like 10 to 3 a.m. So it could possibly snow at like 1 a.m. when I'm sleeping. There's actually a little bits on the grass. You just can't really see it, but there are a little bits on here that you could actually see. So yeah, the snow is actually like sticking on stuff for a little bit. Alright, it's actually starting to get a lot heavier now. 2 snowflakes actually went on my phone. It just quickly melted. You can actually see now it's like sticking for slightly longer before it melts. But it is possible that we could have a bit of snow because, like I said, it says later it could possibly snow, and, it's possible that it could just get heavy enough or just get colder to where it could possibly just stick for a little. We might have a little bit of snow. Snow over my jacket that's like actually sticking. Look at it now. It stopped snowing for a little. It's like 10:52 right now. It's probably gonna like snow kind of like all day, I can imagine. And we have a little bit sticking on the grass now too. See? You have some sticking on these dirt spots on the grass. It's like melting on the car. Sticks for a second, then melts. No in Patterson now. It was snowing heavier before, but it's gone lighter. A couple minutes ago, it was snowing much heavier.
Oh no, Muhammad Assam. Remember that one?
The snow's finished now. It's just rain, basically. It says it might snow later, like 10 o'clock at night to 1 a.m. or something like that. Could possibly get cold, a little bit colder later and start snowing again. I don't know, but for now, it's just rain. Alright, it's snowing again. Heavier now. It's actually sticking to the dirt really well right now. And the grass, too. And my jacket is actually starting to stick to really well. Alright, so it's like 5:16 p.m. right now. 5:17, and it's snowed quite a lot in like the last hour. Like an hour ago, just a little before I had dinner, it was like nothing. It was like barely even snowing. I had dinner, looked outside, and look at this now. I guess it is going to be snowing until like 3 in the morning. I mean, it said that it could possibly snow until 3, but I think that is true. It might even snow more, because I was like earlier this morning. Yeah, nice amount of snow. You could see Gotta pick up the Santa, but feel the snow. These decorations keep falling down. I can get them up. Okay, I thought I thought I knocked out the wire, but really it's just that the Santa won't get up. Yeah, it just won't get up. I actually thought I knocked out the wire. Nice amount of snow on the driveway. Not much here because of this tree. And then nothing under the car, obviously. And then same with the street because of the trees. Like over here, mostly to this tree, it's like nothing. And then this one, it's like nothing around this area. I wonder how I'll make a video when I like wake up at like 6:45 tomorrow morning. Or I may come, or I'm probably not gonna come out later, but I'll probably make a video at my window at like 10 p.m. a little before I go to sleep. I wonder how heavy it's gonna get though. Alright, this is gonna be really cold, but let's pick it up off the car. Honestly, I could probably just clean the windows with my hands. I mean, it's nothing much really. Pretty soft on the windows. My hands are, yeah, it's pretty cold. I didn't come out with gloves because it's a light snowstorm and I didn't really plan on doing much out here. Maybe if I come out later, maybe I'll just come out with gloves just to maybe touch snow and do some other stuff. Let's go to the backyard. That one area with the dirt though, like earlier when it was barely snowing, there was like snow in there, so yeah, this dirt area looks like it gets more snow compared to the grass. The light just went on. Yeah, not even really cold. I just let it go quickly. And then this is all dirt. If I pick it up, or not really much more, but it's definitely more than this grass. Gets pretty dark back here. Not much snow over here because of the tree branches. It's like almost nothing, but you can't even really see it. But you can definitely see a bit of the white. It's like melted snow on like the camera. Nothing much in the dirt or in this area. I decided I'll go in the front yard just a bit more. Since it's only like barely past 5 o'clock, 5:25, If it snows a decent amount tonight, I could possibly get a delayed opening tomorrow for school. Like, I mean, I could possibly get a delayed opening and then not have to be at school until 9:40 instead of having to show up at 7:40. If it were to like snow, I'll say 3-4 inches, that would be possible overnight. Because I'm pretty sure it's gonna snow until early tomorrow morning, I could imagine by now.